I can actually hear your voice from afar. Look at what your house did to my mother. But let me tell you something. If my mother does not get better by tomorrow, this compound will not contain the both of us. I mean everybody. Look at you running that trash you call a mouth like a fool, like a parrot. Oh, you don't even know what brought me here. You think I came here to come and exchange words with you? Okay. Boys! I've seen something. My God, what are these church rats?
Uju, Uju, you called boys for us. You want to continue from where your mother stopped. How?
Were you not the first to call boys for my mother? Which? Hey! I'm asking you, were you not the first to do that?
Hey! So we are the ones you are calling in that word before, yeah? Just wait for me, I'm coming.
Hey. Did Adaka just talk? Eh? A short engine from Yusuka.
My friend, keep quiet. Me called boys for your mother. When?
Liar. Oh, you are denying it now. You are so scared that you are denying it.
Me? Scared of you? Is it just you or are you left anywhere else? If I called boys for your mother, do you think she'll be the same way she is?
You and your mother tell lies for Africa, so I'm not shocked.
What happened to your face? I'm going to take me to the hospital. Auntie, who did this to you? My face. Hold on now. Mama, please. Mama, my face. What is it, your face? What happened? Mama, hold water. On my face. I need water. Would you go and get water? Get cold water. Cold water, Mama. Get cold water. Mama, find my face. I'm in it. I'm burning it. Where is the cold water? Bring the hot cold water.
Mama, I will roast Nchedo today. I will burn her alive today.
Do you know you're the cause of everything I do? Why is it that you love to knock two heads together? Eh? You caused all this.
Me? Mama, what did I do?
What didn't you do? You're always lying about what people did and what they did not do. If you had not come here to say that Oge came in here with men to beat us up, Uju would not have come with men to go and attack them.
Why, Nchedo would pour water on my aunt's face.
What did you expect? 3 men came into their house. They needed to protect themselves as girls. And that was why they poured the water.
The guys are not even correct, guys. Imagine, they were the first to run away. Now the hot water that was meant for them that landed on my face. Mama, look, my face.
Don't worry, my daughter. Your face will heal. With this medication, it will heal faster than you will ever think. And the scar won't be there.
Mama? Mama? Are you saying we should not do anything to Nchedo?
We show you back. In a debut, you can see a man. You're the one that broke out the poor woman's waist. And now this is because of you.
Was it not what Auntie told me to do?
Let me see how they will enter this place again.
Chilo, why did you pour hot water on Uju?
I poured it on all of them. Those people ran, but she did not.
But why did you pour it on all of them?
Mama, Nchedo pushed you down and you fell. You are still suffering from it. And you want me to allow those Umdia to come and rough handle you? No. No. That one is mortuary straight. No two ways about it.
Okay. you will go and apologize to your sister. Eh? Tell her that we are sorry. She's your sister. Oh?
Mama, I can never do something like that. Did she come here to apologize to you for what Amuche did? Did she?
Auntie, don't go. It is now 1-1. Draw. Don't go.
It was a big war last night. Did you hear? It was a serious war. I heard Uju came with some men to attack Mamoge and her maid.
Are you serious?
Very, very serious.
I was only hearing voices. I didn't know it was that serious. So.
Trust the Soka girl. She poured hot water on them. The boys ran away and Uju became the victim.
Yeah?
I'm telling you, if you see Uju now, she's in serious prospects. Serious one.
When will these women learn? When will they stop all this useless fighting and quarreling?
Stop. Why should they stop? How do you expect them to stop? So you mean Mazokro should be the only one that will die because of the fight? Hey. Let them continue. Someone else needs to join him.
Now wow.
Please.
Now wow, my friend.
Let me just arrange. Very well. Who told you to pour hot water on my auntie? And who told you to push my mother? Yeah? Wait. You're asking my question with another question. Yeah? No, this is not me. And nobody will stop us.
Hey, Amuche, what for you? Amuche, if you try anything here, both of us will sit on a dead dog.
Yeah?
Just try me. Just try me.
Every time you are running your mouth like a parrot. If you are not working.
No need of talking. No need of saying anything. Amuche, just try me. Just touch me. Yes. Touch me.
If I touch you.
Amuche, no need of asking like I said for. Just touch me and see what I will do. Yes, touch me.
I've touched you.
Hey! You touch me. Amuche, you touch me.
I say yes.
Hey!
So, you are the ones that wanted to desecrate our secretary. Huh? You actually caught desecrating the sacred sanctity of this kingdom by polluting the sacred river of life of this peaceful community. Who told you can just fight anywhere? Eh? By the way, who are your respective parents? Who are your respective parents, tell me?
I'm from Nsukka.
Eh?
My auntie brought me here to take care of our mother for her.
Your auntie brought you into this kingdom to take care of her mother. Of which kingdom are they?
I don't know.
And you?
We are coming from the same compound.
Hey! I am lost. Totally lost. So, both of you live in the same compound. And the fast you do in that compound is no longer enough for you. You now decided to carry the fire to the sacred river of my community. The life wire of this kingdom. To pollute it, huh? Those your aunties and their mothers did not tell you that nobody is permitted to fight in that sacred river. Not even to wash or to play anyhow in the river. Didn't they tell you? Didn't they tell you? Huh? I'm asking you.
She's not telling us anything.
Shut up your mouth. Listen, come. It's alright. Guards.
Your Highness.
Hey. Wait. You want this girl?
Nonsense. People will come from anywhere to this kingdom to give us this kind of trouble. My youth, I thank you so much. I appreciate your effort. Please keep your eyes open very well. Anytime you see those intruders and trying to commit our or such things, do not hesitate to tell me. Thank you so much.
Who are those girls? Which family are they improved from self?
They are two strangers in this village. Their faces are new.
I heard that the wives of late Mazi Okaro in Omukam brought in mates. One from Nsukka, the other one from Abakaliki. I suspect those mates because I have heard so many stories that they have turned their compound into a war zone.
Oh.
Okay. So how then do we tell them that their new wrestlers are in the king's prison room because they violated the law of our land? Maybe we should take the message straight to them. You mean, okay. Look at what happened here. Before we went there, I was actually doing something at home. So I think I should go and finish it now. You guys, you can go. I will be joining you.
Okay. My bro, you have had it from me now. Me also have something to do at home, right? Let me be going.
Okay. Since you people did not want us to go there, then let me go to my house now.
She's fine, no, she's there.
Please, I wanted to ask, did you send Amuchi on an errand?
No. I was about coming to ask you if you saw Nchedo. She went to fetch water since morning and she's not back. Maybe I should go look for them. Please. Let me look for them myself.
I would appreciate that. Please hurry.
Okay.
Please, Please.
Is it not your house help that you're looking for? Those girls have defied our river. They fought inside the Yodo River. The youths have bundled them to Igwe's palace. Anyway, I was coming to inform you people. I have to leave.
Kill us.
The one I find most painful is the fact that I know that the Igwe will tell us to perform the ritual cleansing before he will let those girls go for messing up the river.
With whose money?
With our money now. With our money. At least this one will teach us that living as enemies is not good.
Witch, are you not the cause of all the evil that has been happening in this family?
Are you not the one? It's you and your mother.
Also not mother. Why are you putting me inside this one? You're quarreling with a fellow young girl and you're putting mother inside it. Osquali.
Let us not blame each other.
Is it not better? Because I don't know why those girls, I don't know why they would deprive us of the peace that we found in this compound. I don't know why. Let us send them back to their place and be using Obika's children. Let them be helping us as they've been doing before.
Mamogi, are you done?
Yes.
As for me, I am going back to Onitsha. I don't have any 1 naira to bring for purification sacrifice.
I have had enough damage already. Hey, let's leave them now. You see someone that is not married. Me, I'm going back to Onitsha too. I'm going back. Ha!
Have you seen it?
Udo ifugen.
Udo ka.
Ifugonien. Amuche nanche. Ekwe isuden.
Have you seen what one comes? But you were the one that started it. Eh? Yes. You started this.
Every time you are wagging your mouth like a parrot. Look at the condition you landed us now.
Every time you'll be looking for someone's trouble. Look at the same condition you have landed us now. Yeah?
See, I swear, if you talk to me anyhow in this place, I will beat you. If I beat you,
hey, Jimmy, Makachuku, if you try it, I want you. If you try it, both of us will die here. Just try it. Oh, see, let me tell you. Is it because you are from Abakaliki? I want you to see. Your people cannot do my people anything. They cannot do us anything. In fact, I want you. You are a mad girl. Huh? Yes, me. I want you. You are a mad girl. What do you want me now? You are a mad girl. You cannot do anything. I want you.
What's going on there? Are you sure that those prisoners are not in another fight? You are right. Let's go and see. Hey! Stop this nonsense! Stop!
I want you. You are a mad girl.
Come here. I am talking to you. Are you stupid? I am talking to you. What are you doing? Come on, look.
Stop, please.
This cockroach. Look, yes. How useless and motherless you are. Right in my palace here. You have the from the dust. I mean the gods to fight each other. But this, they have also shown me that I'm stupid. By just throwing into the palace without any plans. It's okay. God, bind them hands and feet and throw them back into prison. Quick!
Is it not better for them? Is it not better for them? Did you hear any sign of shouting or quarreling this morning? Let them stay there. It's better for them.
I'm saying this because I'm going back to Onitsha. My husband is already complaining.
Just go. I have been here even before you brought that troublesome girl from Osaka. And I will continue being here. Just go.
I'm just worried because if I leave you here, you'll be forced to send Obika's children on errand. But if you stay here with somebody, I'll be relaxed and visit you anytime I feel like.
I said I'm fine. Just go. Better stay. Go inside. Take her bags and give it to her at that palace. Let her go to her father's compound from there.
She'll come and pick her bags when she's released. Biko, I'm going, please.
Madam.
sorry, but it's not to be properly done. Else you will not like your face after the date.
Why? Are they not the same thing? What difference will it make? Nurse, please. I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Will my face return back the way it was exactly?
At least the difference will not be much.
But if proper treatment is not given to it, I'm afraid the other side of your face will be fairer than the other. So allow me to do what I have to do, okay?
Hi. Oh, please do something, please.
Yes, allow me to treat it. Allow me. I wonder what makes your fellow human being pour this kind of hot water on your face.
My dear, this serves her right. I kept warning my wife against unnecessary quarrels with her stepmother and the daughter. She wouldn't listen. Now look at what she has caused to herself. Next time she will step down. Anytime she sees quarrel or fight, she will run.
Sir, this is not time for blames. At least she's in pain.
Hey, don't go there. I will keep, see, as far as these cars are there, I will keep blaming her. I'll blame her in the morning, night and afternoon. I don't know if you're getting it. Even before she embarked on this journey, I want her. She was like, I'm going there with that baby. I'm going there with that baby. She got there, then that baby she got disappointed her. Imagine.
Even at that, Oga, she's still your wife.
Come on, don't
take care of your wife and stop blaming her now.
Treat what you're doing.
Okay. Oh, it's good morning.
I hope you slept well. Okay, Biko, I just wanted to ask. Those girls that have been locked up in the Igwe's palace, what do you think? What are we going to do about them?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm hoping that you will suggest something. You know, you people are the educated ones. If you can help to bring them out. They're also somebody's children. No?
You know, where is your daughter? Has she not gone back to Onitsha? Me, I'm also going back to Onitsha. I am married the same way she's married. So whatever you want, you do.
Mamuju. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. I hope you had a good night.
Yes, my dear.
What actually brought me is the case of those girls that are still in the Igwe's prison. I think we should do something about it. I mean, it's not fair. These children came into this compound because of us. And now they're there. It's like we've abandoned them. Let's try and see if we can bring them out.
Mamuju, are you not enjoying the way we are talking peacefully and a quiet atmosphere that we've been enjoying since yesterday?
Hey! Of course I'm enjoying it.
There's nothing as nice as peace. Mana, please. These are people's children. We can't just abandon them. Let's bring them out. Then we will now call the people that brought them to us and hand them over to them. That way we'll have better peace.
What you said is good though. It's a very good idea. Very nice. But the point is that I don't have money. Fathom.
Money. Let's leave the money factor first. We will go to Igwe's house, find out how much everything is going to cost. Then we'll now start looking for a source to bring in the money.
Very good though. This one is very good. But maybe you should go alone. Because you still remember that my waistband?
Yes.
It's still paining me. It's still here.
Yes. Hey. Sorry. Always. Do you know what happened last night? Hey! I woke up in the night. This my left leg was just turning on its own. I tried to hold it, the leg was still turning. I'm telling you, since then, the leg has been aching. So since you don't want to go because of your waist pain, let me relax because of my leg pain. Let the children be there. We cannot force ourselves to go and bring them out. Sorry about the waist pain.
Sorry about your legs.
Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Kanje. Hey, this legs.
I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. I go show you trouble.
Does it mean that the people that own those girls do not know what they are doing? How can people be this wicked? Someone living with you in the same house left the house for one whole day. Never came back, and you really get to know whether they are alive or not. Or whatever is holding them. Does any of you know where those girls come? I don't know, but I overheard one of the policemen saying she knows where they come from. Really? Yes, Your Highness. Then, someone will make us. Yes, it's a surprising thing to me. Nobody cares to class of prisoners. If anything happened to them, now tell me, do you know the guardians of any of those girls in my custody? Do you know where they live?
Yes, I know that. Yes, they are from my kindred.
Oh, very good, very good. Yeah. Take one more card with you. Why you leave the way? Bring their guardians here. You are free to go. Yes, Your Highness. Now go.
I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a ball, tata, generator. Maybe you wanna respect. In my ponyambo, Megosiki, Japan, US, Kafawagi, Onyambo. Me and you know there for the same category. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. I'm up on awesome. In a ball, tata, generator. Maybe you wanna respect. In my ponyambo, Megosiki, Japan, US, Kafawagi, Onyambo. Me and you know there for the same category. In a chama, trouble. In a chamoku,
I am back again. Back to bed, you let us go to the palace and find out exactly what is happening. And how to get them out from
Mamuki, what is it that you don't understand? Simple thing, why won't you understand it? That my waist this waist is shattered. This place that I'm sitting now, do you know that for me to stand up will take more hours?
You better order me, bring both of you to the palace.
And now, let's go.
Yes.
Follow us! Yeah. How can you be so selfish, so wicked, not to ask of those girls Eh? You did not even dare to ask whether they eat or not. Is this not gross inhumanity? Answer me! Now, go ahead.
I told my co-wife that we should come and see. But she refused.
Huh?
Yes.
You?
It's not true.
Are you beating her in my presence? Okay, behave yourselves. Behave yourselves.
Why did you go yourself? Eh? Good person. Why didn't you go to Igwe? Listen, you see those girls. They're giving us the fighting in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the night. She's the one that told me that we should abandon them here. So that their heads should be cool. When they come back, they will not be fighting like cat and dogs.
You see? That was why I was not happy. You should have come here and explained to me. I would have understood all this because I witnessed what you are saying now with my eyes in this palace. My annoyance is that you failed to come to identify that they come from your house. Eh? You didn't care to know their whereabouts. Did you do well? Did you do well? It's okay. Now, you go out as fast as possible. Go back home. Come back in 2 rounds. Listen. 7 tubers of yams. And 7 heads of kola nut. For us to appease the gods and cleanse our land because these your words have polluted our land. We need to cleanse the land. Esdemon must perform the cleansing ritual. So you must be fast about this.
Where do we get such money to get all these things from? You know we are just widows. Where do we get money to bring all those items?
Oh, woman. Are you asking me questions? No. Are you trying to ask me questions?
No. Her mouth was just talking. Whatever you want us to bring, we'll go and get them from you.
Okay. Now, stand up fast and go and get those items now before I lose my temper. Guys! Help them. Help them up. Let them fetch them up. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Mahmoud, yes. Why did you tell me that we're going to bring those items?
Didn't you see his reaction when you asked him that question? Oh, you want that man to vent his anger on us? Hey, Biko.
Is it not better we tell him the truth? Is it not better we tell him the truth? Maybe he will have mercy on us than telling him that we will do it at the end of the day, we'll disappoint him.
All you have to do is call your daughter, Oge, and her husband. And they will provide the money for you to buy your own thing. As for me, I will call Uchu and her husband. Once they give me the money, I'll buy my own things and I'll go and drop it there.
Chekwa. Mamuju, you want me to call my daughter and the husband? You want them to spend money unnecessarily? Yeah. I will not call anybody. Hey. I will not call anybody.
Okay, that is your business. So me, I'll call Uju. Once I get my own bit, I will go and give it to the Igwe.
Go and submit. Go and give them. If you want to go and give. If Igwe calls me, I will tell him that I don't have the money. Finish.
Yeah. Mama, okay, get on my eka. You're going to never even know what. Yeah. Oh, God, what's up? I know that you and her husband. Hello. Ujunwa.
Yes, Mama.
Dikeh, how are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
Ujunwa, you won't believe what happened. Do you know that Igwe sent his guards to come and pick Mama Oge and I up? He took us to the palace. Igwe was very, very angry with us for letting those two girls spend the night in the palace cell. They said we should provide some things so that they would have a ritual, cleansing ritual. That was what he called it.
Which items?
He said we should provide 2 rams, big rams.
7 tubers of yam and 7 big cola nuts. We are supposed to share it between Mama Oga and myself. She will bring her own half, I will bring my own half. That is why I'm calling you. So that you can help your mother.
So, are you saying I should give you some money or what?
Uju, where do you expect me to get the money from?
Mama, listen. If you are calling me to contribute 1 naira for the sake of those evil girls, count me out. My 1 naira, will not be part of it. Not after what those evil girls did to me. Mama, if you know how you want to raise the money, you can go on your own and raise the money. Count me out. My 1 naira, I repeat, will not be part of it.
Uju, can you imagine? This girl dropped the phone on me. Uju. Nobody's interested, right? So what do you know? Why should I bother myself? Let them rot there now.
It is now very obvious to you girls that even your mothers are fed up with you. They did not come. They did not come for me. I sent for them. And one more day now, they're not here. If you like, when you get home, become responsible there. If you don't like, continue to fight each other. All I know is that I'm not going to keep you in my company because you're not my servants. Therefore, will you stand up there and get it? Rise and go home! What the fuck? Musiunu kunye naba. Man. Go. Open the gate for them.
My sister, what I don't understand is the reason these girls guys failed to come for them ever since they were brought in this palace.
What are you even saying? If you were their guidance, will you come for them? They deserve exactly what they are getting. Maybe by the time they come out of that place, they would have learned something. Why are you talking like this?
Anyway, for me, I've said my own. You see, I don't want to get involved in this type of matter. Please, I was busy when you called me. So, I'm out of here.
After all she told me to be doing, she had the mind to abandon me.
What about me? What about me? What about me that took the risk of pouring hot water on those men's face? And madam, my auntie, they did not come to me at all. Don't come to me, they don't ask of me, let alone coming to release me. Amuche, no food for me. No water. They just left me. Okay.
These people are using you.
Yes, they are using us. In fact, we are fools here. We are the fools. But no. You see, no problem. Only what they know is to go and ask us to go and fight. Fight for them. But once beaten, always shine. No problem.
So you say I should not go?
Yes, so. Don't go. Don't go at all. How much if you go now? It will be as if you don't have sense. Your sense is senseless. See, Amuche, let me tell you. Come, let me tell you.
Hey! They are back! Oh! Mamuchu!
Amuchi, how manage? The family.
You told us to go.
Just like that?
Just like that, though. Just like that. You told us to go.
Let me ask, what about the ritual, the cleansing? What did he say about it?
He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything, no. Amuche said the truth. He did not.
Hey. Wait. Before you start thanking God, both of you listen. You see, ever since you left this compound, we've been enjoying peace. There is nothing like shouting, quarreling, or fighting. So if you will stay in this compound, you must abide by our rules. And that is living in peace. Anything less than that, you go back to your father's house. Do I make myself clear?
Is she not talking to both of you?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Hey! You mean you and your co-fighter? You people did not eat anything since that day?
Mama, we did not eat anything. Mama, that man is a little bit small wicked. He didn't give us anything.
Where is that place?
Yes.
On all the eatables and drinkables in the palace, he did not give you people, not even a plate of rice.
Mama, so we see him. That man is wicked. He's wicked.
Tomorrow, go and fight. Go inside the kitchen. There's food in there. After that, take gallon, rush to the stream and fetch water for me. There's no water in the house.
Okay, Mama, thank you. So? How much?
Yes, they gave us rice and chicken that day. And that night, they gave us nsala soup and fresh fish. And this morning, we ate okwa and tea.
And there was I worried about you people, thinking that you had nothing to eat. Hey!
Mama, we did not want to go. Is it way that called us? He told us to go. Mama, for us, Mama. We don't want to go. We want to stay and eat more good food.
Yes, are you sure you ate good food?
Yes, Mama.
Because you're looking so skinny. Even the color of your eyes have changed.
Mama, maybe because we are staying at a place.
Oh, I see. That is possible. Well, you're welcome back.
Thank you.
Later, I'm going to give you money to go to the market so you can buy the things we will need to prepare dinner. But you will rest when you get up. Then you will go. Okay.
Thank you. So, the good food, let me eat it up before I die here now.
Your madam did not cook any food.
She did not. She did not though. She even had the guts to send me to the market to go and buy stockfish.
But she knows that you have not eaten anything since 3 days. Hey, your madam is wicked though.
Don't mind her. Don't mind that woman. She was busy asking me what they give me at the palace. Do you know what I told her? I called her all the nice dishes in the whole world. And that idiot was believe everything.
Seems like
look for us and get tired of looking for us.
I'm tired of staying with these people.
Hey, Amuchi, why is that the sense inside your brain is senseless? How can you think of going? Okay, see, if you go now, you'll be the one losing. There is not know. But if we do as we plan, by the time we will be going, we must have achieved many things and go. Don't go.
It's okay. Let's try this your next time. Maybe it will work.
It will work well.
Mamuju! Mamuju! Please, don't be offended though. What? Did you send my girl on an errand?
Your girl? No. As a matter of fact, I was getting ready to come and see you. I wanted to know whether you sent Amuche somewhere.
No. No. I didn't send her anywhere. Do you know that my girl went to fetch water? Close to 3 hours. I've not seen her.
Children of nowadays, I wonder what they want to become. My own Amuche, I sent her to go and buy fish. Fish that we'll use and make dinner. She's still not back. Just to a market here.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
What are you
Maybe they went outside and started fighting. They started fighting again.
No, it's not possible because they went their separate ways. Your girl went out on her own, my own went out on her own.
Where are we going to look for these girls?
Hey, look for them.
Hey, get up and what man.
What's the meaning of this?
I said it. That those girls will put us into trouble one day. Look at it. That's happened.
But I guess we don't have a choice. We have to look for them.
Where exactly are we going to look for them? Where?
I don't know, but we could visit neighbors, ask people. Maybe somebody that had seen them early in the morning or in the afternoon would be able to give us some vital information that we'll use and find them.
With this my waist pain. That is what I'll be using to be moving up and down like a mad woman. If I say I'm not going anywhere now, you will be the first person to say I'm wicked. If I say I'm going back now, you will say I'm a very wicked woman.
Don't go back. I've not said anything. Even you're the one shouting at me. And I'm not even getting angry. Sorry about the waist pain, but Biko, just manage. Let's go and look for them. They are people's children, you know. Is it possible you wake up your wife and children so that they can tell us if they saw our girls?
Mamuju and Mama, please, my children are asleep, including my wife. I cannot wake them up simply because of those your irresponsible girls.
don't have to tell them to come out. But you can talk to them inside and just ask them. If they tell you where they saw them, then we will follow up on that.
Even if I saw them, it's of no relevance to you people. You have nothing to do with it. So you better start going home.
Okay, Master, just tell us where to start our search from. Maybe from a walk or a gate, that's all. We'll go from there.
Now you people have come. Very good. By the time you start from one house to the other, in this village and community, you'll be able to see them. So you better start going. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Do you know what will happen?
What?
Let's go.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow we'll continue with the search.
Well, because me, I'm tired.
As I was buying the fish, I gave the woman money. She gave me fish. As I wanted to go, 4 boys stopped me. They were beating me. They lifted me up. Mama, and my fish and everything fell off. Mama, before I knew, I saw myself at the barracks. Mama, and I saw this. Ezemo was very, very angry. Igwe was begging him. Igwe told them to put me back to the prison room. Mama, do you know who I saw? I saw Nchedo. She said they brought her from the street. This night, Igwe told us to go.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
I hope they will not come tomorrow to look for you people.
No.
I just lost my money and my fish.
Yes.
Did they perform the cleansing rite on you people?
It's like they did though.
Are you done with your food?
It's my own small. Mama, I thought you were the person that owns that palm fruit at the backyard.
Everything is and we'll share them in common. The one at the back of my kitchen is my own. The one in the front belongs to Mama.
I said it. But I don't know who packed everything and joined it to her own.
It's a lie.
Hey, Mama, if you doubt it, come and see it now.
Mama, you can never try such nonsense.
Hey! Mamuju! Get here! Get here, Bona! Chill. Wait. Abuchi! Who brought my pan nuts here? I'm on it now. Who brought my pan nuts here?
I don't know.
I'm asking you, who picked my pan nuts? Who brought it here?
I heard my madam saying that she needs small to complete her own. Maybe she's the one that took your own. Mama, I don't know.
Oh man, NTA News.
What is it?
Mama!
Hey.
Mama!
What is it now?
Your co-wife is packing all your palm fruits.
My palm fruits?
Yes.
When? How? Where? For what occasion now?
Mama, come, let me show you. Come. Mama, run! Oh!
Yeah? Mama, okay. Why are you picking my palm fruits?
Who told you to come and pack my palm fruits to this place?
Pack your palm fruits.
Mbachalo, it's me.
Please Honey, I'm even talking, you're still packing them. Mama, okay, stop picking my palm fruits. I'm talking to you.
Now, if you know what is good for you, just keep quiet. Let me pack all my palm fruits that you stole from my house.
Me? Stole from you? Look at this woman, oh. So you're not calling me a thief? What are we even talking about? Leave my palm fruits alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone.
That you know that it's... Mamuju, I will kill you.
Why did you pack my co-wife's palm fruits and add them to my own?
Me? Mama, I'm not the one that did it.
What? Shut up! You're just a liar.
Mama, I am not a liar. I am not a liar. I am not the one that did it.
So who did it?
Mama, I saw...
Oh, just shut up! You didn't see anybody. You're the one that did it.
Mama, I will not talk again, no. I saw the one that did it, but I will not talk again.
I'm warning you now. You're the only one in this compound that would do such a thing. And I'm warning you now to go and return those palm fruits. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not fear. You're still sleeping. I said go and return those things.
To be fighting each other every day. Now, the reverse is the case. Those people, they don't know where I'm coming from. Our people know they carry last at all. See, this one now is the beginning. This is just the beginning. Yes. Come. What is going to be the next line of action now? Let us wait till the heat of this last one subsides. Then we will know what else to do. Because if we rush on it now, it won't make any sense at all. But if we wait and start another one, if you are going to hit another one now, it will scatter the whole compound. Now you wait. Wait. Now you come. I don't know that you have this sense. This girl, you are too much.
Mama.
This girl.
Wake up.
Allow me to rest. Allow me to rest.
Mama, wake up. This one is no matter of allowing you to rest, Mama. Wake up. Hey. Mama, wake up.
Nchedo, what is it?
It's like a thief entered our compound. No.
A thief?
Yes, so. You see that your plantain? Hey. Mama, that's your plantain. Yes. I heard noise and I look. I saw somebody that is harvesting that plantain. And Mama, it seems
Nchedo.
Mama,
let this not be your usual lie, so.
Mama, no. Me, lying, I can't lie. Mama, it seems like it's Mamuju that employed that man to harvest our plantain. Yes. Mama, it seems you're doubting me. Okay, let's go to the backyard. We'll see it. Go back. Let's go.
Ogodo! Is it not Ogodo that I'm seeing? Ogodo! Why? Hi! Ogodo! Why are you? Is that really you? Hey! It's Ogodo! What are you doing in my backyard? I thought you were aware. I'm aware. Aware of what?
Your co-wife told me to call the plantains. We have already concluded on the price.
Mamuju told you. So this is what is going on in this compound.
Ogodo! She told me that Mazi Obanye has already bargained with you people. That you people have already concluded with him. But my price is higher. That is why she asked me to come by this time to cut the plantains.
Hi!
Yes, sir.
Hi!
Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama. Now you say that I'm lying. Mama, your co-wife called somebody and that person is harvesting your plantain at backyard.
I've never seen someone lie as much as you. You would stand there, you think you can stand there and tell me that my co-wife is harvesting my plantain?
Mama!
And you think I would believe you?
Mama, I'm not lying.
Nonsense.
Mama, can't you hear voices at the backyard? Mama, you think I'm lying? Come and see them. Mama, come and see them. You think I'm lying? Come and see them.
Hey!
Ogodo! What is it? It's 1,000 not enough. Okay, I will add 1,200. Who are you bargaining with? You, of course.
Hey! Mama Ogi, so you're like this? You want to sell the plantain that belongs to both of us without letting me know?
Nebez, Ogodo, were you not the one that told me that Mamu Jugia sent you to come and cut the plantain?
Hey!
I caught you here cutting the plantain and I asked you what you are doing at my backyard. You said Mamuju asked you to come and cut it. That you even settled with the price.
Mamuju? Hey! What won't I hear? Ogodo, who sent you to cut the plantain?
Mama Oge, of course. Mama Oge.
When? Look at me, Ogodo, you are a thief. You are a thief!
Ogodo, just tell me the truth. Who sent you to cut the plantain?
Were you not the person that asked me to say if anybody comes around, I should say the person is responsible?
Hey!
Yes.
This man, sent you to do what?
I'm on over that. I can't see the jet because you know, they want to kill me. Hey! People, come on! These women want to kill me. Let me say the truth.
Say
the truth!
It is this your mess that is causing the whole thing. They were the people that asked me to do this. Yes.
Which of the men?
Why?
Ask you. And why?
Your housemates, of course.
Why?
Because they said they will give me something. Something. Understand something now? Yeah, you're not there.
This one didn't work. Hey, they have caught that man. Hey, let's run away now. Hey, she's running away. Hey, tell me, what do you want us to run to? Hey, now we don't need to talk now.
Ogodo, at your age, as old as you are, old cargoes, that is very close to his grave.
I'm telling you.
You want something from little girls.
With what, Seth?
That are young enough to be your grandchildren.
Your grandchildren.
You want something from them.
You want something?
Please.
You say we should understand.
Please find out from them.
Wait. Where are those children? Where are Amuchi?
Let's go and find them.
Go and find out from them. Hey, man! Hey! Mama!
Hey! Mama, do you know this girl is gone? I went into the room. I searched. Nothing. No bag. Nothing.
These children, they used us.
Sonchedu too is gone.
Not even has a pass. But I told you, let's continue living the way we were before. You said no.
But I was the one that called for peace.
Then sometimes you will do that you know. I don't want to see a man in 40. Well, maybe we're better off. Maybe I'm 40. We'll learn to have this. It's okay.
Udo kama, let's live together. Udo amaka,